We're moving on now. The Supreme Court has sought a response from the Election Commission of India on a plea filed by Congress leader and MP Tanuj Punia. The plea challenges the ECI's decision to conduct the special intensive revision exercise of the voter rolls in Uttar Pradesh. The court will examine the matter once the ECI submits its position. Joining us on the broadcast is my colleague Sambhav Sharma with more details on the story. Sambhav, we are learning that the Supreme Court has sought a response from the Election Commission of India based on a plea that has been filed by a Congress leader in Uttar Pradesh. Could you take us through the details?
Well, absolutely. The matter was before three-judge bench of the Supreme Court, where Justice Surikant, Justice S.V.N. Bhatti and Justice Jaimala Bakshi heard the matter in detail, where earlier the initial matter was on the petitions challenging the special intensive revision exercise being conducted in Kerala. So the Kerala government in a way moved to the Supreme Court. So here the hearing happened.
Could you tell us about the Uttar Pradesh plea that has been taken up by the Supreme Court?
The Barabanki member of parliament has filed a petition in the Supreme Court challenging that particular special intensive revision exercise being conducted in the state of Uttar Pradesh. And here Justice Surikant has noted one important point while hearing this particular petition of Barabanki member of parliament from Uttar Pradesh. Here Justice Surikant has noted that all political parties are now approaching the top court and advised to avoid overcrowding on the next date of hearing, that is November 26th. In a way, this particular petition or the UP member of parliament's petition is not to be heard on 26th of November because this is what Justice Surikant has said, that he advised overcrowding on next date of hearing. So the Kerala SIR will be heard on 26th of November, but this particular petition is submitted in a way, and the hearing on this petition will happen in December. Here, senior advocate Kapil Sibal, who appeared for the petitioners, has said that the SIR process in Kerala is in clash with the local body elections. And here the Justice Surikant has clarified that Kerala is a distinct case.
Right. Sambhav, in fact, I'll come back to you on that case. We will just introduce the information to our viewers that the Supreme Court is seeking the Election of India's response to a batch of pleas filed by various petitioners, including the Kerala government, challenging the ECI's decision to carry out special intensive revision exercise of the voter roll in Kerala. A bench led by Justice Suryakant has listed the matter to be heard on November the 26th. So, Sambhav, even in Kerala, this plea has been filed. Could you tell us the details?
Well, absolutely. Here the Kerala government's petition in a way adjourning this particular SIR exercise for some time and could be conducted later is what the petition of the Kerala government in the Supreme Court, here the top court of the country, the Supreme Court, a three-judge bench of the top court which was hearing this particular case today, has issued notice to the Election Commission of India and other parties involved in this slated the matter for further hearing on November 26th. The hearing underwent for around 15 to 20 minutes, where senior advocate Kapil Sibal, who appeared for petitioners in this case and especially for the Kerala government, has said that the special intensive revision SIR process is in clash with the local body elections in the state of Kerala and requested that the SIR should be postponed for now. But however, Supreme Court has issued the notice to the Election Commission and sought Election Commission's reply on this particular petition of the Kerala government and asked them to file a response later the matter for further hearing on November 26th. And here the justice, what is important is Justice Surikant's remark, who is going to be the next Chief Justice of India in few days. Here Justice Surikant has noted that all political parties are now approaching the top court and advised in a way, overcrowding on November 26th. So the Kerala petition, SIR petition, will be heard on November 26th, and it's not, it's very less, there are very less chances that the Barabanki MP, the UP Member of Parliament petition will not be heard on 26th of November. That would be heard somewhere in December. So the next date of hearing in Kerala SIR is 26th of November, where Election Commission will file its detailed response and reply in the Supreme Court.
All right.